Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix keyboard typing multiple letters at once in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. In search, you just need to search for keyboard. Comes up keyboard selected. Repeat delay, you just need to drag this point to long and repeat rate, drag this point to slow and then select apply and OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select accessibility, on right side scroll down and select the keyboard. You just need to turn off filter keys guys, just turn it off. After turning off, you just need to close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the keyboard section and right click on your keyboard device and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and now close stuff here. If updating doesn't work, then you just need to right click on your keyboard device and select uninstall device. Select uninstall and uninstall the device. After that select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type keyboard troubleshoot. Comes up find and fix keyboard problems. Click on open it. Select this advanced apply repairs automatically, check mark it and select next. The troubleshooter will attempt to find and fix any issues automatically. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.